Good afternoon, Lodi residents. This is Mayor Scott Luna on behalf of the Lodi Mayor and Council with a new updated message regarding the status and changes in the borough of Lodi regarding COVID-19 virus. As I mentioned in my last statement, this virus is for real, and it has hit our town, which is our family, and it's hit it pretty hard. The support from our community is still continuing in trying to keep our spirits up and our hopes very high. Lodi numbers have increased by 85 since my last announcement on May 1st. The good news is, according to our county health officer, for the first time in weeks, which was yesterday, Lodi's positive number has stayed at the same. So in Lodi, we now have 632 positive cases, many which have already recovered, but unfortunately we increased in deaths since May 1st. We now have 36 accounted for deaths in our Lodi family. I know Lodi's hearts and prayers are with all of the families affected by this virus. These 36 people we lost were all friends and acquaintances to many of us. As I always like to ask our residents, please join me in a moment of silence as we remember our 36 friends. Thank you, and may God bless them all. I have a few important updates for residents. On May 18th, the County of Bergen and the New Bridge Medical Center will be hosting a community mobile COVID-19 testing at the Lodi Motor Vehicle on Gregg Street. This is completely run by the Bergen County, New Bridge Medical Center, and the County of Bergen, not by Lodi. In case of inclement weather or for information, log on co.bergen.nj.us. We have posted a flyer on local TV after this announcement, along with our Nixle, Facebook, and on our Lodi website. This is not a drive-in site, this is a walk-up site. The testing is offered by anyone in Bergen County, but with Lodi residents' numbers ranking very high in Bergen County, officials have geared this to local residents that can't get out to a drive-in site. If residents can get out and drive to the site at Bergen Community College and the New Bridge Medical Center, officials are urging them to do so. Residents can drive and park at the motor vehicle and walk in, or walk from their home. This will be organized in separate lines, and social distance spacing will be set up by the county and the Sheriff's Department. Lodi Local PD and the DPW will be assisting also. This is all done outside with the mobile unit set up and a tent as well. There will be no access to the DMV inside the facility, so therefore there will be no access to public restrooms. Testing will be for COVID-19 for anyone with or without symptoms. First responders can arrive from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. All others from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Anyone testing will need Bergen County proof of residency, which could be a license, utility bill, social security card. There will be approximately 300 to 400 tests given, and this is a one-day event. The county will also be offering 100 antibody tests for anyone that has tested positive for COVID-19. You must bring your positive test results with you. Again, first responders can come from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m., others from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. It is recommended no eating, drinking, smoking, or gum chewing 30 minutes before taking the test. Lodi residents that couldn't get out of town to get tested, please take advantage of this free mobile testing lab that's in our town. Again, it's only a one-day event. I would like to thank County Executive Jim Tedesco and the Bergen County Freeholders for hosting this site in Lodi and giving our residents an opportunity to get tested here at home where this virus has hit us hard. I would like to also thank Senator Joseph Lagana and Chris Hillman from the motor vehicle to securing this site. Moving on, you are all aware that the state's extension of the stay-home order has forced New Jersey municipalities, as well as Lodi, to cancel many summer gathering events. These steps were necessary in trying to stop the spread of COVID-19 and save lives. However, we were able to open Memorial Park walking track only this week from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. We ask that social distance ordering take place while using this track, as well as wearing a mask when social distance if you are closer than 6 feet apart. Along with the track opening, our tennis courts at Memorial Park, our baseball and softball cages at Voto Tedesco and Kennedy Park are open by permit only. Permits are free, and they can be obtained by using our Community Pass online. Tennis is for singles only, and the cage use is for no more than 2 people. The information flyer will also be posted after this announcement on a local television or on our website, Lodi website as well. Please note, all Lodi playgrounds, ball fields, and our dog parks will remain closed until the state allows us to open. Summer events are canceled in Lodi, but as far as all fall events, they are still on schedule. As always, I want to commend once again all of our healthcare professionals, our first responders, our educators, our food service workers, and all essential employees, as well as our Lodi Task Force for being on the front lines every day. I would also like to commend all of our volunteers in town for all that you are doing with our food donations, making our masks, donating PPE to our essential workers. Thank you all. To all of our local vendors, you know who you are. Thank you for every week. Thanks for feeding our essential workers, offering Lodi residents discounts. Some local news. Our new welcome to Lodi signs and stigma-free signs have been installed at Lodi entrances. In support of our 2020 graduating high school seniors, Kennedy Park lights are lit up every Friday night from 8:20 p.m. for 20 minutes. Our Borough Hall remains lit up in support of our first responders and our healthcare workers. Chief Scorzetti, Manager Vincent Caruso, and I are starting to work on a drive-by plan for Lodi College graduates. Our birthday drive continues. If anyone would like a drive-by birthday celebration for their child, please contact Lieutenant Mobilio at 973-473-7600 at extension 8126. With the stay-at-home order still in effect, alternate side of street parking will remain suspended. Lodi, that's my update this week. Again, I'm urging residents to keep doing what we are doing, continue social distancing, wearing our masks, sanitizing often, and don't slack off. Let's win this war. Let's stay in this together. As always, stay safe, be strong, be Lodi strong, and may God bless you. Thank you.